Saw someone get put into the back of the police car. That just makes me sad. And I'd rather not freeze, you know?
No, it really like punched you, beat you up, threw you in like the sleigh. Bobby knows the words.
Engaged again?
Go out, have fun, touch grass.
And my grandma's dead.
Kiana, I didn't know you got down like that.
Like a sedative.
Hi guys, happy Vlogmas day 13. It is Friday and we're actually heading outside today. Me and my friend Tisha are gonna try to check out some Christmas bars in the city. There's a couple that I've mapped out. We may be too late because I couldn't book a reservation and I am someone who has to book reservations weeks in advance, but we couldn't get in. So we're just gonna do like a walk-in. Some of them are walk-in only, kind of works out. It is around 1:45. We are gonna head out because my sister is dropping us off at the subway and she has to be back before 4 o'clock. Earlier we can go, the better. It is sunny again today, which definitely means that it's freaking freezing. I'm wearing layers, so can we see? I'm wearing, my room is so messy. Let me turn around and do this. So I'm wearing, this is a dress, it's from Abercrombie. It's like a sack dress. And then my sweater, my new favorite sweater is Gap. It's like the oversized boyfriend crew, something. Also my Gap jacket, because duh. I have a feeling it's cold and I'd rather not freeze, you know? If you guys are wondering, my scarf is from Aritzia, I want to say. Do I have my keys is a good question. I think we're ready to go. So let's go.
This has tequila, oh, habanero, ginger, and hibiscus.
My heart. Wouldn't it be funny if we had someone dress up as Santa and like walk in? But I'm
My
like,
family does that.
do you actually? You need to put in your act skills and you'd be like, Santa! Oh my God!
This one is one. I got 2 in retail. And we can put it in a reservation. That would now be retail. I didn't see any more.
Good, what's
The
wrong?
end? Oh my god.
Oh, spicy.
Oh my god.
No, it's not. So good at first.
I know, it was like,
And they, like,
so nice.
Beat us up.
It's giving your cards.
Oh yeah, it's giving my car. It's giving T-bone. So wait, 75 minutes. So we're here for like an hour and 15? No, an hour and 25. 75.
An hour.
Wait, 60.
No, yes.
75. So hour 15.
Yes. I found
Another
this
Christmas
speakeasy. Well, I don't know about you, but that liquor just went right to
No, it did too. Me too. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh shit! I didn't even notice that. Cheers.
It tastes like a Bath and Body Works candle.
What does it taste like? It tastes like your grandma's like warm holiday drink.
Yeah, my grandma's dead. This was crazy.
Kiana, I didn't know you got down like that. No, it really like punched you, beat you up, threw you in like the sleigh. And then you have to find your own way back home. It's good.
That's good. Stimulate your mind.
I'm like trying to do like stimulating activities, not like brain rot.
Yeah.
Like
I started
eyeliner.
coloring.
Oh, that's really good. Do you color on your iPad?
No, but you could. I bought the book before.
Is it the teddy bear one?
Yeah.
No way, I just
Wait.
guessed.
Not
the popular one.
Not the one that you're thinking of.
cute one.
That's like a Bobby.
Yeah, Bobby.
No, Bobby's too expensive.
Me and Bobby go way back. I've been coloring with Bobby for free on my iPad.
Yes, you could do that, but like if you want the actual book, Bobby's expensive.
Bobby's really expensive. Bobby knows his words.
I need people to announce when they're breaking up,
No,
like
literally.
celebrity, because I need to know.
I need to
My
know.
nosy ass needs to
I
know.
need to know.
Like I need to know when you broke up, why.
And then I can keep tabs on it.
Yeah.
Isn't she engaged again?
She's engaged again?
You have to be okay with admitting you're wrong sometimes too. Like something that people aren't always comfortable with is like admitting that they're wrong.
Yeah, that's my mom.
Life is not worth being sad.
Wow, life is really short.
It is. It
So
honestly
it's
really is.
like it's really not that serious.
When you think about it, like I think we're a quarter through our life, almost, right?
If you're live to 100, yeah.
That felt really fast. Like
Yeah.
yes, we went through a lot in that time, and it did go by fast, or like it did go by slow, but it also went by really fast. So I'm like the next quarter of our life could like snap
So
like
fast,
this,
yeah.
right?
It just keeps getting faster and
It
faster.
goes faster
And I
and
don't like it.
Like, do you really want to look back on life and remember being sad all the time? Like, no. It's like, go out, have fun, touch grass.
Everyone at work is like, you need to find someone who's relaxed because you're off
like,
the rails.
just,
Yeah. Like just goes with the flow.
Yeah.
It's really easy because you need like a sedative. A lot of people don't go through like traumatic things. So if you don't go through traumatic things, it's like you just don't know.
Some people succumb to whatever they experience. That means, y'all be safe, though.
Y'all be safe though.
Y'all be safe, though.
Some people just haven't experienced life.
No, literally.
And that's
I think I've experienced enough life.
I know. I'm like,
I've had
must
enough.
be nice.
I've had enough, please.
Must be nice. Choose someone else, guys.
Choose someone else, please.
You know when they're like, God gives his toughest battles to his strongest soldiers. I don't want to be a strong soldier.
I don't want to be strong anymore.
I want to be weak.
Tired and sleepy. We're entering a new era, so I have to like completely different.
That's true.
Like,
You have to,
different.
you have to change your hair. That's
Yeah,
what
I have to
everyone
change
does.
my hair.
You have to change your hair.
I know I dyed my hair low key, like very subtly. You can't really tell much from the sun.
I know, it looks good.
It
That
does?
picture?
Which picture?
Maybe it was this morning.
Trace to that. Are you proud of me?
You know I'm proud of you. I've been waiting. I kept my mouth shut.
I'll be there.
Yeah, I'll be there.
I don't know if you.
Yeah, if you start acting right, maybe. Maybe we'll still be in a bar, but...
And that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
We can be scared. And still. Like, no, not me. Relax. It's okay.
Wow.
Never put a timeline on your life. That's like a disaster waiting to happen.
And who are you going to call, the police?
Yeah.
I know the police too.
I know that too.
I'll ask them to turn a blind eye. I'll ask them to turn... That wasn't you? No?
No.
I'll call them myself. 33. No, it's still going.